Yeah, y'all already know what's going on, Blake.
Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man. Okay. All right. Got trap jumping like fraud. 2, 2, 3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fed.
Yeah, y'all already know what's going on, Blake. That the flywheel finally broke on off. Flywheel. Yeah, flywheel. Flywheel broke on off, man. Yeah, I'm about to take it to the shop. I was trying to see if I wanted you to take it to the shop first, but my man was answering the phone. You know, I'm about to put the 6-0 in here. So I knew that shit was about to go out anyway. Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, y'all know I got the whole auto kit for it and everything. No? My bit. Yeah, man, y'all know everybody gonna do everything over with now, though. I'm about to go crazy. Ain't about to go straight to the shop. Oh, we about to go crazy. For real. The man come pick it up. We're gonna drop this 6-0 in it. You know what I'm saying? We're going crazy, man. All gas, no brake. Yeah. Man, I was driving, bro. I was driving. I'm on the E-way. I'm going like 80, like 85. I hit the gas. It won't go no faster. So I'm like, man, what the world? And I started thinking, the flywheel probably wouldn't broke on off. So the flywheel, but shoot, all that did was activate me to go on and do the build to it. You feel me? So you still cranking up. I hear it how it crank. You heard how it sound? You hear that? That flywheel. You hear it? It crank up like a robot. That flywheel. Appreciate that, homie.
No problem.
Yeah. Easy peasy. Though I get full coverage insurance and stuff like that happen. You know? That flywheel. Black surprised it crunk up. I told him it's still crank. Oh, Blake, man. It's time to go on, knock it on now, bro. So next time, when this truck leaves the shop, it might be painted a different color. All the SS pieces gonna be on it. It's gonna be lowered, bigger brakes, drill the slider rotors. You know what I'm saying? These right here gonna be painted the same color of the truck. So these gonna be painted the same color of the truck. The globe at the bottom with the turn signal. You know I got turn signals in here. So let me have this business. So man, really think about it. My last time riding on the engine is in there. I ain't gonna be riding on the engine no more. So all that about to get changed. I'm about to need transmission too, cause the transmission is in there. This shit's over gonna burn it up. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to need this engine in. That's my last time riding on the engine in there. Was just on the expressway, cause I'm about to take that out of there. Ain't nothing wrong with the engine, y'all. I'm about to take that out of there. You know, I'm about to put that man in here, man. It's time, man. I'm gonna put that man in there. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, this crazy. My last time riding on that engine, all them brakes and all this stuff about to get changed. Last time riding on all this stuff. The rotors getting changed. Man, like I said, man, it's my last time. All this stuff is getting replaced. I even got to replace this fender because this fender messed up when they had the blowout. You know, got new SL bumper. Headlight. Got brand new SL grill. So I might go cow hood, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Might go that cow hood, I don't know, man. Ooh, boy. Trailblazer had the boo. First time she ever left me stranded, y'all. And she was still crunk. You know what I'm saying? Like, she still go. It's just she couldn't go. Transmission. Not transmission, flywheel. So I'm assuming that the thing broke on off, so it ain't connected to nothing. When you hit the gas, all you hear is like it's a oh, shoot, man. But ain't nothing to a big dog. You know, we're gonna take care of that, man. When she come back out, man, it's gonna be a whole different truck, dog. It's gonna be a whole different truck when she come back out. Go. So all my stuff in here too, man, before they pull out, man. You know what I'm saying? They got them, before be stealing stuff. I put most of my stuff out anyway. Make sure, man. It makes my toolbar back there. Before we pull out. R.I.P. my brother. You feel me? R.I.P. my brother. You feel me? R.I.P. bro. My toolbar, okay. I want it. My toolbar was still back there, boy. It is, man. He told me to go on the brain. I'm gonna pick him up. Gonna pick up the door panels and the dashboard. I'm gonna turn that steering wheel ASAP, man. Yeah, man. Y'all who don't know about the box, man. This the box, man. No, we going green. With the orange, man. I'm getting orange, man. Yeah, man. You had to go. Brand new carpet, dog. Told him I ain't cutting no corners. Nah. It's a seal on the way, man. Shit, my cutlass. The seal on the cutlass, man. That thing, you wouldn't believe it. Y'all go back and check my other video. I showed my cutlass once I hit 1K subscribers. Y'all gotta go check that out, man. This is 79 though, y'all didn't know. This is 78. This is 79. 78. 79. I got a little something back here. I ain't got too much. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got too much. Got a little something. Ain't doing too much. Got a flat cat ready. Destroy your grade, man. Like, killed her with that one though. I ain't gonna lie. I killed her with the little man. They don't get it, bro. That thing came so far. It's like this 83 or 82 Caprice. Got 215 for that. But that baby, you hear me? Yeah, AC and everything, boy. Boy. AC and everything, boy. Yeah. Not playing no game.